Assalamu alaikum students. Our today's topic is phaeophyceae. That's the class of algae. This topic is for 11th class. Phaeophyceae, also called as brown algae. There are about 2,000 living species of phaeophyceae. The members of the phaeophyceae are commonly called brown algae. And brown algae are found primarily in marine habitats. They possess the pigment chlorophyll A and C, carotenoids, and xanthophylls. These brown algae are phaeophyceae vary in color from olive green to various shades of brown depending upon amount of the xanthophyll called fucoxanthin. That is, there is color variation which depends upon the presence of the amount of xanthophyll. Which xanthophyll, that is fucoxanthin. Next point regarding these brown algae show great variation of size and form. In ectocorpus, the body is simple branched and filaments, whereas in kelps, the body is profusely branched. For example, laminaria, macrocysts. Kelps may reach a height of about 100 meters. So far as their size is concerned, they may reach up to a height of about 100 meters. So far as food is concerned, food is stored as complex carbohydrates, which may be in the form of laminaria or mannitol, that is alcoholic sugar. Food is stored as a complex carbohydrate in the form of laminaria or mannitol. Mannitol is alcoholic sugar. Brown algae have cell wall made up of cellulose, which is usually covered on outside by a gelatinous coating of algin. Algin is a hydrocolloid which has good water holding capacity. Algin is a hydrocolloid which has good water holding capacity. So we came to know that brown algae have cell wall made up of cellulose which is covered on outside by gelatinous covering of algin. Algin is hydrocolloid which has good water holding capacity. The protoplast, that is the living content of a cell enclosed by plasma membrane, cytosol, organelles and nucleus. The protoplast, जो प्रोटोप्लास्ट है, the living content of the cell contains plastids and centrally located vacuoles and nucleus. Plant body is often differentiated into holdfast for attachment to a substratum, stipe, that is stalk, and leaf-like photosynthetic organ called frond. जैसे कि यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, holdfast which is attached to the substratum, and stipe which acts as a stalk, and frond which is a leaf-like structure. The lower forms often possess air bladders for providing buoyancy. लार्ज फॉर्म्स जो है उनके अंदर के एयर ब्लैडर्स फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग बायोएंसी, जिसकी वजह से वो पानी में तैरते हैं. So far as the reproduction is concerned, which reproduction takes place by fragmentation, as we know about algae. Asexual reproduction occurs with the help of flagellated zoospores. Flagellate zoospores that are with the help of biflagellated zoospores that are pear-shaped and have two unequal laterally attached flagella. This is asexual reproduction. This takes place with the help of biflagellated zoospores. Those zoospores are pear-shaped and have unequal laterally attached flagella. And so far as the sexual reproduction is concerned, sexual reproduction may be isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous. Fusion of gametes takes place in water. Fusion of gametes takes place in water. But in oogamous species, gametes fuse in oogonum. Their fusion does not take place in water, but the fusion takes place in oogonium. Oogonium क्या है? It is a female reproductive structure, usually a rounded cell or a sac containing egg cell or oosphere, the non-motile female gamete. क्या सुना हमने इसमें? Sexual reproduction may be isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous. Isogamous and isogamous, there the fusion of gametes takes place in water, but in an oogamous species, gametes fusion oogonium. Next point क्या है? The gametes are pyriform. Pyriform means that is pear-shaped and bear two laterally attached flagella. The common forms of brown algae are ectocarps है, dictyota है, laminaria है, sargassum है, fucus है. There are some of the diagrams of this. This is laminaria, fucus, and dictyota diagrams. Now, so far as their economic importance is concerned, this brown algae food. A number of brown algae like laminaria, sargassum, etc. are used as food in many countries. Edible brown algae are also used as fodder. Fucus and laminaria are rich source of iodine. Sodium laminaria sulfate is anticoagulant, blood anticoagulant. Laminaria and ascophyllum have antibiotic properties also. Alginic acid is obtained commercially from laminaria. These are some of the economic importance of this brown algae. Thank you, students. And in our next topic, we will be discussing rhodophyceae. These are some of the points. You may note these points regarding this phaeophyceae, some of the important points. You may make a note of it on your notebook. This will help you in the examination point of view. Thank you.